Hey everyone, welcome back to Speako Talko English, where learning English feels simple, practical, and fun. I'm your host, Sarah, and today we're going to focus on something you hear every single day, prepositions of time. We'll explore how to use IN, AT, and ON correctly when talking about time. These little words might look small, but they make a big difference when you speak English naturally. Let's get started with a quick exercise to warm up your brain. I'll say a few sentences. Listen carefully and think about which ones sound right. Example 1. Let's go for a walk in the morning. Let's go for a walk in the afternoon. Let's go for a walk in the evening. Let's go for a walk in the night. Take a moment to think, are all of them correct? Well, almost. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, but not in the night. The correct phrase is at night. So remember, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, not in the night. Instead, say at night. Now you might wonder, why? Honestly, there's no deep reason. It's just the natural way English has evolved, so make sure to memorize this pattern. Let's check another example to make sure you've got it. I studied English this morning. I studied English this afternoon. I studied English this evening. I studied English this night. Which one feels strange? Yes, the last one. We don't say this night, we say tonight. I studied English tonight. So night behaves a bit differently from morning, afternoon, or evening. Now let's talk about yesterday. Listen carefully. She arrived yesterday morning. She arrived yesterday afternoon. She arrived yesterday evening. She arrived yesterday night. Which one is wrong? Exactly, the last one. We never say yesterday night. Instead, we say last night. She arrived last night. So remember, we say yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, but we say last night, not yesterday night. Practice with me. Repeat these aloud. Ready? In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, at night, this morning, this afternoon, this evening, tonight, yesterday morning, yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, last night. Perfect. Now let's see how it works with tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow morning. I'll call you tomorrow afternoon. I'll call you tomorrow evening. I'll call you tomorrow night. Do they all sound correct? Yes, they're all fine. So even though night often behaves differently, in this case, tomorrow night is perfectly natural. You can say tomorrow night, but not yesterday night or this night. Let's now talk about days of the week. This is where prepositions can get tricky. Look at these examples. In Tuesday morning, at Tuesday morning, on Tuesday morning. Which one's correct? Yes, on Tuesday morning. Whenever you mention a day, you use on before it. On Monday morning, on Saturday evening, on Friday night. So, in the morning, when no day is mentioned. On Monday morning, when a day is mentioned. Simple, right? Let's move on and test a few more time expressions. Complete the sentence. I'm going to start painting. Options. 1 in an hour, 2 in winter, 3 in the moment. Which one is wrong? Right again. In the moment, no. We say at the moment, so I'm busy at the moment. In an hour in winter in the moment, use at the moment. Now, let's switch to something we say every day. Greetings. You know these? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night. But do we use all of them in the same way? Not exactly. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening are greetings, ways to say hello politely. For example, when you walk into your office at 9 a.m., good morning, When you meet your friend for lunch, good afternoon. When you arrive at a restaurant for dinner, good evening. They all mean hello, but good night is different. It's used to say goodbye or sleep well, not hello. You might say, good night, take care, or good night, sweet dreams. So remember, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, for greeting good night, for leaving or sleeping. Now let's review everything with a short quiz. Ready? 1. We're meeting this afternoon. Correct or incorrect? Correct. 2. The stars look beautiful in the night. Correct or incorrect? Incorrect. It should be at night. 3. Our exam is at Tuesday morning. Wrong again. It should be on Tuesday morning. 4. Good night, how are you? Not correct. Good night is not used for greeting. Say, good evening, how are you, instead. 5. I had a dream yesterday night. Incorrect. Say I had a dream last night. Well done. You've just reviewed the most common prepositions of time and how to use them naturally in English. Before we wrap up, let's quickly summarize. Checkmark use in for parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon. Use at for exact times and night, at 5 o'clock at night at the moment. Use on for days and dates, on Monday, on Christmas Day. Keep practicing, listen, repeat, and make your own sentences. The more you use these prepositions, the more natural your English will sound. Thank you for tuning in to Speako Talko English. Keep learning, keep smiling, and remember, every word you learn brings you one step closer to fluency.